Namaskar, I am Anand and all of you are in the live class of Join for Education. In this class, I am going to solve the questions of uh, NCERT Exemplar, question number 11 to 50. Let's see the question number 11. I am going to write the question number 11. Let's see here. So, in question number 11, ask us solve the equation cos tan inverse x equal to sine cot inverse 3 by 4. So this is the question number 11 and I am going to solve this question. Let's see the solution. So here cost and we convert tan inverse x into cos inverse, then we write down here cos inverse and we know that tan inverse or tan theta equal to p by b. Therefore here will be also we know that cos inverse equal to or cos theta equal to b by h. So here we have p equal to x and b equal to 1. So here so we know that tan inverse equal to p by b. And cos inverse will be b by h. So let's see here p equal to x and b equal to 1. So here will be cos inverse 1 by uh, p square. It means that x square plus 1 over root. After there is no problem to understand up to this step. Equal to we write down here sine and we convert cot inverse 3 by 4 into sine inverse. Then here will be sine inverse and we know that cot theta equal to b by p there, and sin theta equal to p by h. So here will be 4 by 4 square plus 3 square over root. After there is no problem to understand up to this step. Let's see. The next step here will be or cos and cos inverse 1 by x square plus 1 over root equal to here will be sin inverse 4 by square of 4 is the 16 and square of 3 is 9. So 16 plus 9 equal to 25, and the square root of 25 is 5. After there is no problem to understand up to this step. So let's see the next step. We know that cos inverse equal to theta, or here will be 1 by x square plus 1 and over root equal to sin inverse equal to 4 by 5. After there is no problem to understand up to this step. So let's see here. Now squaring both sides. So here will be 1 by x square plus 1 and square of this one 16 by square of 5 equal to 25. After there is no problem to understand up to this step. So let's see here. Now by cross multiplication we get here 16 x square plus 16 equal to 25. After there is no problem to understand up to this step. So the here next step will be 16 x square equal to 25 minus 16, when 16 move in the right hand side, or here next step will be 16 x square equal to 25 minus 16 equal to 9. So let's see the here next step will be x square equal to 9 by 16. Therefore x equal to 9 by 16 over root equal to here will be plus minus 3 by 4. So the answer of this question will be x equal to plus minus 3 by 4. X equal to here will be plus minus 3 by 4. So this is the answer. After there is no problem to understand the solution of this question. Let's see the next question. Let's see the question number 12. Now I am going to write the question number 12. This is a long answer type question. So in this question ask us prove that 10 inverse 1 plus x square over root by 1 plus x square or plus 1 minus x square over root by 1 plus x square over root minus 1 minus x square over root equal to pi by 4 plus 1 by 2 cos inverse x square. Let's see the solution of this question. Let's consider from the LHS and we try to prove RHS. Suppose x equal to cos 2 theta. So x square equal to, we know that cos 2 theta equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. Again, we find out 1 plus x square and 1 minus x square. So 1 plus x square equal to, here will be 1 plus cos square theta minus sin square theta equal to, here will be 2 cos square theta. Hope that there is no problem to understand up to this step. We know that 1 minus sin square theta equal to cos square theta. Therefore, cos square theta plus cos square theta equal to 2 cos square theta, or 1 plus x square over root equal to, here will be 2 cos square theta over root equal to, here will be root 2 cos theta. Similarly, 1 minus x square over root will be 1 minus, and the value of x square is cos square theta minus sin square theta. So here will be plus sin square theta and over root 1 minus cos square theta equal to sin square theta. Sin square theta plus sin square theta equal to 2 sin square theta, and the square root of 2 sin square theta will be root 2 sin theta. So hope that there is no problem to understand the value of 1 plus x square over root and the value of 1 minus x square over root. Now putting this value or now from LHS. So here will be tan inverse, and the let's see the value of 1 plus x square over root equal to root 2 cos theta. So we write down here root 2 cos theta, and let's see plus 1 minus x square over root equal to, we write down here root 2 sin theta. So we write down here plus root 2 sin theta by, here will be root 2 cos theta minus root 2 sin theta. Hope that there is no problem to understand up to this step. Now we take root 2 common, then next step here will be tan inverse, and root 2 here will be cos theta plus sin theta by, we take root 2 common here also, then root 2 cos theta minus sin theta. Hope that there is no problem to understand up to this step. Now we cancelled out root 2, and the here next step will be tan inverse and cos theta plus sin theta by cos theta minus sin theta. Now dividing numerator and denominator by cos theta, then in the next step we get here tan inverse cos theta divided by cos theta, then we get 1, and here will be plus sin theta by cos theta equal to tan theta, and here cos theta divided by cos theta, then we get here 1, and minus sin theta by cos theta equal to tan theta. So we know that the value of 1 in tan theta is 10 pi by 4. So the here next step will be tan inverse tan pi by 4 plus tan theta by tan pi by 4 minus tan theta into tan pi by 4. To convert this one minus tan A tan B. So we write down here 10 pi by 4 and we know that the value of 10 pi by 4 is 1. So the here next step will be tan inverse here will be tan pi by 4 plus theta equal to here will be tan pi by 4 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta into tan pi by 4. So we know that tan inverse tan equal to here will be pi by 4 plus theta. Now we find out the value of theta. What will be the value of theta? So we suppose here uh, x square equal to cos 2 theta. So let's see here. X square equal to cos 2 theta or x square equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta, or we convert this one into cos inverse. So we convert this one into cos. So here will be x square equal to cos square theta minus 1, and here will be sin square theta equal to cos square theta. So here will be cos square theta. So the next step here will be 2 cos square theta minus 1. So here will be when one move in the right hand side, then we get here x square plus 1 equal to 2 cos square theta, or here will be cos square theta equal to x square plus 1 by 2. So here cos theta equal to, or we find out x square equal to x square plus 1 by 2 over root. Therefore theta equal to cos inverse x square plus 1 by 2 over root. Now we putting the value of theta here and we prove this one. Of that there is no problem to understand the explanation of this one. Over From this step we get direct here. So here will be 2 theta equal to cos inverse x square. Therefore, theta will be 1 by 2 cos inverse x square. So this step here will be pi by 4 plus, instead of theta we write down here 1 by 2 cos inverse x square. This is the RHS proved. Hope that there is no problem to understand the explanation of this solution. Similarly, we can solve question number 13, 14 and 15. Let's see the question number 13. Find the simplified form of cos inverse 3 by 5 cos x all start 3 by 5 into cos x plus 4 by 5 into sin x. In this question ask us write the simplified form of this one. So we suppose we convert this one into cos A into cos B plus sin A into sin B. So we suppose this one 3 by 5 equal to cos y. Let's see the solution. Cos y equal to, we suppose, 3 by 5. Therefore, here will be sin y equal to, we know that cos theta equal to b by h. Therefore, sin theta will be p by h. And here uh, we find out p, then we get write down here 5 square minus 3 square over root by 5. Then we get here 25 minus 9 equal to 16, and the square root of 16 is 4. So here will be 4 by 5. So the form of this question will be cos inverse, and for 3 by 5 we write down here cos y and cos x plus here the value of 4 by 5 equal to sin y, we write down here sin y into sin x. So we know that cos A into cos B plus sin A into sin B equal to cos A minus B. So we write down here y minus x. And this one will be cos inverse cos equal to y minus x. So we find out what is the value of y. So we take the help of any one of these two. So here will be cos y equal to 3 by 5. Therefore, y equal to cos inverse 3 by 5. So this one will be, now putting the value of y, then we write down here equal to this one cos inverse 3 by 5 minus x. Or when we take the help of sin y, then here will be y equal to sin inverse 4 by 5. So we write down here uh, equal to sin inverse 4 by 5 minus x. So any one of these two will be the simplified form of this question. Above are the simplified form. If we convert this one into 10, then this one will be tan inverse p by b. So here will be 4 by 3 minus x. Hope that there is no problem to understand this solution. Next question I will solve in the next class. Thank you very much to attend this class, and hope that this class will be useful to the JEE main and advanced aspirants to clear the basic concept related to the inverse trigonometric function, as well as the schooling students of class 12 of CBSE or other state board.